Let's see how you can delete all the viruses on your iPhone and make it faster, smoother and better. If you suspect that your iPhone might have a virus, malware or any unwanted files, then do not worry, as I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to remove such files. Although iPhones are less susceptible to viruses, it's wise to ask yourself some simple safety questions which will help you find out if your iPhone has viruses or not. Your iPhone might have viruses if your iPhone is jailbroken, you spot apps you don't recognize, your apps are repeatedly crashing, there is an exceptional increase in data usage, you are seeing pop-ups when the browser is closed, your iPhone's battery is draining quickly, your iPhone is overheating. If you see any of these signs above, your iPhone might be infected with a virus. Now let's go through a step-by-step process which will help you remove any such virus or malware from your iPhone. Step 1. Update your iPhone. To do this, go to Settings, tap on General, go to Software Update, check for updates, and if there is any update available, download and install it. After this, make sure that automatic updates are on. Step 2. Delete apps that look suspicious. Delete any apps you do not recognize or that you downloaded around the time the problem started. Just tap and hold on the app and tap Remove App. Step 3. Clear your data and history. The browser is a potential place from where your iPhone can get infected. To clear this, go to Settings and then click on Safari. From there, scroll down, tap Clear History and Website Data. Step 4. Power off and restart your iPhone once. This may fix the problem. If the problem remains after these measures, try the last option. Restore factory settings. If all else fails, return your phone to factory settings, but make sure you back up your important files first because you may lose some of your important data. To back up your iPhone, go to Settings, tap on your name, go to iCloud, iCloud Backup, and then tap Backup Now. This will back up your iPhone, which can be restored later after the factory reset. Now to factory reset your iPhone, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, erase all content and settings. This will erase all of this. Tap Continue and select Erase iPhone. That's all. Following these steps will surely help you remove all the unwanted files and viruses from your iPhone. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments and subscribe for more such tutorials. See you in the next one.